Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use the Sapphire plugin by Boris in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have downloaded and installed the latest version of Sapphire plugin. If you haven't, visit borisfx.com website to download the current version for your system. And once installed, restart Adobe After Effects and make sure the plugin appears in your effects menu. And now go to the effects menu at the top and you should see a folder labeled Sapphire. And to apply a Sapphire effect, simply double click on any effect you want to use from the Sapphire folder or drag it directly to your selected layer. Keep in mind, Sapphire effects will need to be activated. If they don't work right away, make sure you have activated them using the activation manager that comes with the plugin. And that's it. I have actually set the steps that is mentioned here, and you can check this article here. Also, remember, Boris has an application that is similar to Creative Cloud Desktop, in where you can manage installation and activation for the current versions of its plugins. You can download all the Boris features here from this page. And that's it. Once activated, you can start customizing the effects right in the effect control panel. And now enjoy creating with Sapphire. And that's all there is to it. If you have any more questions about Sapphire, they have an official documentations for Sapphire plugins for our plugins. Check out this link here, uh, this, this this thing, and you can find all the info related to this plugin.